Yusek, when the president said he wants a reset of Philippines-China relations, ano yung saklaw nung reset na yon? Buong coverage ba nito, yung buong aspekto ng relationship natin or dun lang sa South China Sea? Paano po yung reset na gusto niya?
Ace, hindi ko mabibigay yung detalye. Pero yan ang gustong ipahiwatig ng Pangulo.
Okay,
So kung anumang issue meron ang China at ang Pilipinas, gusto niya magkaroon ng reset sa pag-uusap na yon. Nadinig siya ng ambassador ng China, nadinig din ng Pangulo ng ambassador ng China. So with that, sana magkaroon ng mas magandang resulta.
Pero it's just on the South China Sea, not other aspects of relations, I suppose.
Hindi ko mababanggit ang detalye.
Okay po.
Follow-up question po, Maricel Halili, TV5.
Ma'am, quick lang. What was the mood when President was talking to the Chinese ambassador?
Yung unang pagpasok ng Pangulo ay rather nung ambassador ay winelcome si ambassador. Pero nung sila po ay nag-usap na sa private room ay hindi na po natin nakita kung ano ang tsura ng Pangulo. Although nadidig ng konti ang kanyang boses.
So
From
can
the
we say
outside.
na, in a way, it was an intense discussion?
Hindi ko masabi, wala po tayo sa loob.
Pero after the discussion, I understand you cannot give us details, but can we say that it was a successful meeting? Did they understand each other?
I guess so. Kasi pagkatapos at lumabas si ambassador, nakangiti naman si ambassador, nakakangiti naman din sa amin, at pagkakita namin sa Pangulo at kasama si ES Ralph Recto, nakita naman natin na positibo. Sa nakita kong mukha ng Pangulo ay positibo naman na naipaabot din niya sa bansang China kung ano yung nais ng bansang Pilipinas.
Follow-up question po, Kat Domingo, ABS-CBN.
Undersecretary, what keeps Malacanang and the President optimistic and faithful that China will still comply with its assertions or its claims or its, ano ba yung tamang word, deals with the Philippines, given that when you have Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro repeatedly saying in public that China is not trustworthy and Beijing cannot be trusted?
Well, we are always be in good faith. We should always act in good faith. We should always have in mind that we are dealing with people who will also be in good faith. Mahirap makipag-deal kapag ang kausap mo, iniisip mo agad magsisinungaling. So, dapat nating isipin, nakikipag-usap tayo, nakikipag-negotiate tayo, na yung taong kausap natin ay also in good faith.
Does that mean that Malacanang admonishes the statements of Secretary Teodoro about accusing China of not complying with its word?
It doesn't follow, Kat. Kung ano man ang opinyon ni Secretary Gibo, being the Defense Secretary, iyon ay kanyang opinyon at iyon ay nababase din siguro sa kanyang mga facts na nakukuha. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na ang Pangulo ay makikipag-usap sa representative ng China, ay isipin niya na itong representative na to ay nagsisinungaling. Bakit pa tayo makikipag-usap at makikipag-negotiate kung iisipin naman natin na sila din ay nagsisinungaling? So may mga pagkakataon na maaari nating sabihin na hindi sila nagsasabi na totoo, hindi totoo ang kanilang mga kiniklaim, pero hindi ibig sabihin na pag makikipag-negotiate tayo at makikipag-usap tayo, hindi tayo maniniwala sa kanila.
Last from my end, how necessary is it for the palace to call the attention of Secretary Teodoro to toe the line to have more good faith towards China?
Wala. Hindi i-call out ang Secretary ng Defense. Alam ng Pangulo kung ano din ang ginagawa ng ating Secretary Gibo Teodoro at iyon naman din ay naaayon sa kanyang mandato.
Ang concern po kasi medyo nakakalito yung dual messaging. You have the President saying, or you have Malacanang saying they are exercising good faith towards China, but you have the Defense Secretary also saying that China is not trustworthy given the actions that they have shown in the West Philippine Sea. So how do you bridge that gap, that divide, when it comes to the messaging of the administration?
That's why, Katrina, sabi ko, it doesn't follow. First, nung sinabi nila na kanila daw itong area na to, which is opposite to the arbitral ruling, ano magiging reaksyon ni Secretary Gibo? Siyempre iba. Pero once the President talks to the representative of another country, hindi pwedeng sabihin natin, hindi ako makikipag-usap sa iyo, sinungaling ka. So magkaiba yung sitwasyon. Hindi natin pwedeng pagsamahin. Hindi sila magkapareho. Iba ang estado ng Pangulo, iba ang estado ng Defense Secretary.